If you're a tennis instructor and you're looking for an affordable professional website that's easy to use, you're definitely in the right place today. So keep watching this video. So I'm going to be showing you how to do exactly that on the Mighty Sites platform. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, we pretty much designed the platform to make creating websites fast and simple. No coding is required. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So click on the link below this video, sign up for that free trial and give it a go. See how well it works for you and your small business. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses, solopreneurs, people with side hustles, and we are adding more markets every single week. Let's go ahead and search for our market, tennis instructor. Awesome. Let's tell Marcy Sites a few basic details about our business, pop in our company name, as well as our city and our state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the world. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service. Click on continue. Let Mighty Sites work its magic and create a simple website for me and my business with the information I've just put in. There you have it. It's literally done so in a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're also completely free for you to use. You don't need any licensing or anything like that. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images. Maybe you'd like to showcase them on your website, make one or two amendments to that content. You can do so. It's super simple. You don't need to know coding or be a web professional of any sorts. Certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. So let's get cracking. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that email address is visible on my website, so I'm actually going to go ahead and tick that box. Awesome. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. Our address, our physical location, if you've got one, pop it in over here. Great thing about it is your customers click on it when your website's live or automatically take them to Google Maps. And update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom. Now, if you have a business logo, go ahead and click on the next section, update logo. Browse your device to upload it. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can actually click on that pencil directly over it and crop it, rotate it, make minor edits, add filters, frames. Otherwise, if you're happy with it, click on save. Over here on the right is where you can make the logo bigger and smaller. Awesome. Now, if you'd like to change the colors that we pre-selected for you, click on the paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. No color coding needed. Go through the various color palettes available for you to use. There's so many to choose from. Awesome. Now, for each section you want to make amendments to, click on Update section directly underneath it. Head on over to Update Image. Over here is where you can browse your device to upload your own images. Search through the photo library. There's hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free for you to use. Mighty Sites as well now gives you the options to actually pull in all your Instagram photos. Go ahead back to the photo options and click on connect to your Instagram account. Connect it literally in a minute with a click of a button, and you will automatically be able to pull in your Instagram photos instead of uploading them all individually. And update action is where you can change the button text and where those buttons link to, even uploading a PDF file, which is a great option to upload a brochure, maybe with your rates for your various lessons. And update content is where you can change that content that was pre-written for you. Now, in the last section, the lead generation form is where your customers can easily reach out to you, potential students. All they need to just put in their details, click on send. You will get notified via your registered email. You have a new lead from this form. Also, find all your leads over in your Mighty dashboard. If you'd like to connect a custom domain, click on the button at the bottom, connect your domain. So I already have a domain to set it up. Otherwise, if you'd like to actually purchase a new domain to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, click on the green button. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your tennis instruction business. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.